Residents in Richmond are outraged. They say Fort Bend County is threatening to take their homes and land, possibly for a parking lot.
The area we're talking about is historic downtown Richmond. Lauren Tallarico joining us from there live to walk us through exactly what's going on. Lauren.
Well, we're talking about something called eminent domain, which is the right of the government to take private property for public use with a fair market payment. But the people I spoke with today say they are not interested in selling. South 5th Street in Richmond is lined with old oaks and homes older than a century.
And we're like, what is going on?
But recently, property owners in this block have been notified by letter the county is thinking of taking their land.
Notice of intent to enter the land for survey purposes.
Rita Cinquemani is one of those owners. She and her husband are landlords to 4 businesses on this property. They called the county to find out what was going on.
Told us that they wanted to turn it all into a parking lot.
Have you heard the words eminent domain at all?
Oh, yeah, that's what's been thrown around there. They can walk on your property and say, guess what? We want it. And you're out.
My feelings, I feel violated and I feel scared.
This is Rita's husband, Paul. Both are counting on the rental income from their property for their futures.
If it were a highway coming through, but we're hearing parking lot, give me a break.
Richmond resident Jillian Reed.
Save it, don't pave it.
Has started a petition to keep the county out. She says she got involved after trying to buy one of the historic homes and learned the county was trying to buy it too.
And if you tear down the things that bring this community character, people won't want to come.
We reached out to County Commissioner Dexter McCoy and County Judge KP George. We asked if the plan was to bulldoze these homes to make way for a parking lot. We did not get a direct answer, but were told by Commissioner McCoy, in part, these are important but delicate conversations about meeting the growing needs of our county. We are at the very beginning stages of this process and are evaluating all options.
Told him we will be fighting this.
Meanwhile, the Cinquemanis don't plan to sell and think everyone should be paying attention.
Because it can happen to you. At any point, the county can come in and say, I want your property.
I reached out to Judge George's office on Monday and then again today, but still have not heard back. There will be a commissioner's court meeting on Tuesday at 1 p.m. and I'm told several people will be there to protest. Reporting live from historic Richmond, I'm Lauren Tallarico, KHOU 11 News.
We'll be watching what ultimately happens. Thank you, Lauren.